Hello, agus fáití héag na seanslaí agus fáid seansa ghlaciad na seanslaí is mu sé cumí gilí cara agus bhhaim sa shout-out allmhór a thuirtá an band sin ar bhfuil na héananig is James le ag an Pop-Up Gaeltacht in sin ar an Deirdaoin. Cos bhí si ho jazz agus bhí chu jazz buúla an dinge seo a bhí like, is braling an fád, so you know what I mean? Agus bhí si ginse a handling eile le éis an pod. That is Margaíocht den Sky. I'm telling you. And you were missed. Bhí si de gaiir fell amach natural, is it?
I mean, it's bralam clúisiil go marg of tradiisiúnta tarlú, just back to the roots.
Belga
Jarbidir na man shóisialta, jarbidir rud a bhéile, just word of mouth, díní Lord lena chéile.
I'm telling you, listen, was man shot Marsgra, dingy beams to contra the argument now much Kolaki and much courage the char this barla anywhere and you could jimmer tattoo.
Arbus asked the nation of the curl and malag and more. But she ain't the jasner you're in the nation then. It's like, oh, how much general are they gonna get?
Exactly. Listen, the goose has the bell. He's a country lad being a goose at bell, so good. I'm to my chop faster. James O'Flaherty. James, jimmer tattoo.
Ní stop on the intro seo ach má dig amach. Like
No.
it's níl yeah. I know yeah, come on. Yeah. So you shouldn't get asked again Pop-Up Gaeltachtaí in fairness agus yeah, which I kind of surprising me all. Can I cap back or dedicate to brand wearing at one stage, but that's gas. It's a danger the Hugh recognized flat out. Because I just don't know. I didn't know how it felt. Ach vi mo recognized version hain an ine.
Oh.
An lá héis. Me chuma go porca chrócaí ma vi ma gobar. Ní man an rá cé ma gobar because you know embargoes. Or, you know.
Oh, it's a whole. Oh, listen, it's Irish already.
Part exclusive,
Ooh la
Henry,
la.
you know.
Ach a fi ma an agus vi dram ó an GA a gobar an. Agus honnig so ma gobar an a pí ma an a rinú úintí agus chin a honnig ban Susan. Agus dú si by any chance rotu a gimmer to couple míochen. Si ma like yeah, yeah. Agus sin dú si agus on tusse on goalkeeper. Agus si ma like yeah. Kid that tarlú agus dú si
That guy.
tá video an chuit ar phone oibre on the pitch like agus like they airdropped it dumb like error láthir like yeah.
Oh my
so
god.
tá literally riocht amach agus like crochum like it's Haitian final whistle obviously like so like vi should try more at a bar kitchen agus sin crochum ceann gan the lads ógus agus literally bear hug on ma crochum Susan era agus sin like shout on him stach sa camera and I have no recollection at all.
It's
So
good
we were
enough
like,
to check out Éirinn television.
Yeah.
yeah, it's all a blur home so I just ran about the fish shots and I'm like, oh my god.
Drunk on winning.
Yeah, kissing my yellow like yeah. Q is a freaking long haul and it's your Dean was literally chulle fucking darn the dinner. It was definitely easy to get.
Doesn't go to Appin and humble and
No, it's not. It's never though. Athnium who. It's. I know. Where are you from?
Harley sin na coppers doing mai agus ní glacach nar dúirtúló cinnáte ebrin tú ní glacach daoine leis. Like no.
No, that's taking on. No, it has to be really there.
No, níl ceart go.
Ach it was that Haitian like in triú úd so long call the hana dus me just éis leis a glór.
He's the glorious.
sé glosin tú an glór bíine sin ó trígadtí sé gach lá ó lunga ine.
Well, I will say a much of the was on the Connemara heads of East because we Steve when we a long haul so much got like a pop up more like you know like just pre-game where Arthur House America and then the in long haul and the Gael Gary Foster it was like like pre pop-up ribbon pop-up we shot deadly just na Gael or fod Chimplari and lad if you see Nackling then James I can tell vi Nackling we shall add Ratnum sir or UCD tree Gaelic whatever so literally then with your nose like black hole the Gaelic you know Mohin jo targin much Gael Gary like hella
Mé inta ar an ihe agus fair play de Laurenine Caroline an Obergentki ar an ihe agus mór agad bailthe but bhí cum all in ar an ihe ro am mai agus an
Oh, bhí sé deadly, yeah. Bhí sé, like, Joe bhí sé cosla, I don't think ro se go mór in gáileh, but Pop-Up Gaeltacht an like lia brevráile se bheith, like, whole mór. Bhí se, basically one of you, yeah, this is sé jig ceapam, no, yeah, this cuiig ag Padder agus Oscar, a lad bhí mar ardmhéir da bailach lia agus, like, in the lads eile, I think go versus gaelach go fáil. Agus bhí si más like uair sa bhí like bheith ahanana gail sa caiair ag dolas deach ag pub ag an timp na caiire ag bulú Swiss le cheala like bhí sin net bhhain like tíb muid an club goró a gro gail gal a bheith an. Agus bheith like na céta an ahanana le uair bhí ahanana le oscail gáil like so bhím bulú Swiss le muir DCU muir TUZ like na oscail ar fad agus an sin nar a like COVID stopsid darná agus an sin dúirt Padder agus Oscar cin an plán bhí na gro bhí se le haid a hanne so bhí dar is a Gary Pop-Up agrú ngáileh garcaí timppel na crunne like bhí tú non just chur ceist arú le haid na pucktarígus na logos agus bhí si like right ghlach seo an sean dáinenter na signs bugatá acu le an Pop-Up Gaeltachtaí agus but then Barty she had some kind of vague argument in smoke. She's like, yes, it's less than fumble in a shot, and then being bubble really false it more mean a bubble the right. But nish the lad at agus Wilmot lash or and Jardine agus whole jazz a real cool dude. Vishakai T-Lane a Slipknot, which I appreciated a lot. Agus so Hasi Shashin yet Fia tree. So there's the chatter ash, which is great.
Which rud is Columgar glúiseach as sort trend bhí an ag an tús is bhí an den dhéanamh fan na tíre ach an sin sílam gur stop go leor cantar a dhéanamh bud clí bailú lí leis níos fearr na after bí eile agus fiú fós nar himse go bailú lí it's like the Pop-Up Gaeltachtaí an sin no tá cean an seo no as a couple cean ar siúil beidir ní hamháin an na carach níl sin really after bí eile ná sé bhád níos láidir an maidir clia.
Yeah, well, definitely a chat rash. So we shot great. So what you share in those kin in the sham can you like we just see we twist there Barua absolutely ploddy he's there absolutely ploddy like you're holding my flock barrel really wine than you Shahas much Connemara agus we shot great we've been made like Lord hey got be a heart and shit we should just galanta
do a curtu head and dancer and
we just Gary Elish in this challenge and just pieces of just fine one more
knowledge if it's an issue chat over in America
the on the James Yamaha
I know vi ich mal in a read no ní cheap me go mo upload is vi agus vi like vi moet hísteide chonig was déanaí díach oi nur human de seach gur anhar agus sé vi hísteid a pí den chum sústeid is vi chemes go ó méid daine vi hísteide go bin méid vi an agus sé chum sústeid is vi se pakate like absolutely pakate.
Well, I mean caiim a ragur like rinne siad an wallscracht ar an imacht agus bhí sé le feáil ar na man hóisiilta ar ré leorfógracht genta agus ar san women's aid so bhí cis an waith do bhíine a bheith ancmid, but tá sin ionta gur hánaí an air sin daoine.
Yeah, agus ní na gra daoine bhí an tamar fá like bheith like ag amachtaí gaile and like a current company included like bheith na daoine cearna dul na amachtaí gaile cearna le heile but bhí se lein like daoine ága like Strandtree beidir daoine nachró ag Pop-Up River bhí bhreile Pop-Up bheith ar nós cin le etro like Fulamarí really Gary dul mar bhí se cin ar nós like bhí ahanana a Gary takeart a horta ahanne agus bhí sin le feicáil ar an Jardine fásta so yeah so good well touch the rash like there's the same barua gach mé sílam agus there's go bheith Mary's again cookish fásta.
It been like Mary's pub like
yeah
as in
I can't
amble like
well I mean we'll amble Lonnie
no or on like amble dar ran a Mary's pub.
Oh well okay
Mary's pub atá in Éirinn.
Yeah well to ken the wine mar cliata inta
yeah it's like ben cean leis a Wahlburger.
Yes
yeah well sinna cean atá ó an faoi.
Yeah tá má feicil an album cover an seán yeah so yeah
gee like they're kinál soch cool that you know
Ní really éis sem lá, to be honest, you know. Like is siad san
nó níl siad éagsú go leor a dú.
éagsú go leor, wow. Okay. Sorry, má sibse gimmer sinnim sa trí rina ní bhí me géis lá. Sinna dóid am
Well,
se.
actually, ní siad ach sa trí rinne go chéad úr in December, actually. So, is actually gigging the bug of Yaku today. So, Yama go bin, Yama go made go an at an ample, like, I
Ó
don't know,
nóair.
like 2002, I suppose, was about big
Bhí si
shock.
cuaig.
Yeah,
Bhí mis sin
exactly,
sin
yeah.
nar a rugú na lás. Bhí mis is
Tá
mis
ahar baistú.
mis sin midwife bhí acu agus chuirme se an mandóla agus í leige agus dúirt má right se láat go láta do Wazuki agus bunsoltas as a cheol. I mean, holma fi amble blianttí hain, but bhí se
There we go.
but no, bhí se ag an amtíarna le haí eile id nar bhí si ar TikTok is really.
Caí gro de casú Whelands mas é gur tú géiste le.
On your way, guys, just hold on the tunes of he about okay, wow. Shots fired. No, just own the man host it. It's in that your whole mission. Yeah, you know, sure, no,
Yeah.
like,
Tá sé dóá le ag Bill, like, Tá gona take me ba chola lá I ggéirh álamach ó bhfuil tickets fáca le ón Big Top an gáile nó
oh yeah.
Trinity sa saora nó an ceán na taú December sa trí réine, like, tá armad eáil, like, it's I think it's unbelievable.
Yeah.
So má grá géint rom ever brontas bug dasnátó is ticket amble bhán, so
Ma cin go leis do bham ceannis mar chuint ceistrí.
Moam.
Yeah.
But like need any connections like Moam let Dini Robbins a Ticketmaster and I gamble like so like
Just
I don't think it can that she tickets.
Joke beyond James.
James like no wait 1 second I need
Yeah.
Well, like, this is no joking matter. I'm should really get in the ticket show. So
and it's
let's
about
not lead let's not lead anything astray here.
Cai mai éis lá ag pontségin agus gen deep dive. I think in Yarnama piece of bug. Tan méid banní cheáil tar nó sin fásta like the Kingfisher agus an trad nua atá.
Yeah.
No.
That was ví gom gro sin go.
Stop. Ní ceol trad atá an. Not like
no sé aine léime se ophead an sin, you know, Daphne is ceol tradition to on, you know, this
Trad adjacent.
Oh,
no, I think you're trad, yeah.
Just hala go banjo acu. Ní
Yeah.
go trad.
That automatically says Gatrada.
I think you're trad, yeah. Yeah, she don't
Ceol,
give it.
folk, Cajun, bluegrass, anything solar and trad. Ní ceol trad.
I think it's traditional bluegrass.
agus aine agus a chuann se stehart nar ar an gur rudí trad é rudí nachhfuil trad.
Go mór. Agus tá lína ro blurred sí leihantí seo. Ceirt go dtí leat ceol gaelach tradiisiúnta a bhuiirtear.
Ceir iad banning ceol nachhfuil trad.
Okay, ní ma déanú le call-out san is.
No, I think you're cheart.
Hin banna get to bug ro jazzy.
Tá tú éis botún mór a dhéana dó I ráling go condition assets.
Surely
Cholúr is a bobanis like be like Kingfish nu ambulance be like
Oh, trad á craite.
love that bit of trad.
But ní rúna seo, tá mis actually is cuinte an táhachtta seo dú sit mhí agus is maiile seo ala daoine amí gannéistan siad. Na tá difríocht idir ceol tradiisiúnta agus an stuff eile. Agus, you know, ní cheart ceol tradiisiúnta ag léir in é puinte faoi le. Agus tá an nómarcha den mascú seo atarlú ag den ag rá like, oh, the genuine claim gur ceol tradiisiúnta tá.
An é Lancum ban trad. Look, ní rud é tuairt má. It's go to just ra the dingy a bheith mícheart leis an lipid atá de chur ar banna cheol. It's not go to ra go an banna cheol all no go to ra like nachhfuil du go the ceol sacu. It's just like céin lipid a churtha ar an orange sin or an banna sin.
No, Jerry mé le Lancum actually ceoltarí tradiisiúnta sa bhaine sin.
Yeah.
tá daoine gur thosaí má le ceol tradiisiúnta i casú sessions. Meallar sin ligam dóibh an tuirt lipéid sin a ghlacu agus a rag a gasan siad rein ceol tradiisiúnta. Ach mas é gur as níos gan session ceol riú casú de híal. Ná bí rag a ceol tradiisiúnta.
Yeah.
As tá sin simply beor sínam.
On Polytoad anywhere.
I know tá léidir gurí anhaigh seo, tá mar sínta diplomat.
Well, tá mis go rá like ní ecin me se
Lipéidí.
like ní ecin me se lipéidí so ní me se like musicist so it's just smarm sa ceol agus sinna méid ecins me se. Fecin me se na nótaí be go ceol sin gur sannéir na mé stinnig fiddle nu a banjo nu ébice vín an ag sé me se sin ceol agus is smarm ceol.
Tá go gur ceoltán.
Angie, you're the politician and we're the media. We're trying to twist those words, baby.
Yeah, tá sé cos le éiriseir ceart a bhí láthirse. Tá cos go bhfuil coolúr éiriseart a go. Gros cos le the sun.
Page 3. Bronzies. Well, Neil Bronar. But anyway, Tarash can punch it. V and Pop-Up really jazz. So
we went straight in.
Look, it's Sean wrote the Harley. Being a sick nerd, Kern looking at this shot or Kindle Yella. Just dig in deep, you know. Buckle did like just basically and it's just a yeah. Like punch it. We'll do it.
I mean, didn't which shouldn't been a gahan.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I think it does in the touring like Halo though, because like we may huge like Halo to Dean. I think I was kidding. I mean, person can mushy usually. So
we just kindling mushy, I would say.
Well, David Jovio got to Jigro to mushy.
No,
gotta be. No, on toast, like you just
mushy. Jin Kershis or shot.
Just be this rare, like Keiko says, is be to fiddle the hands, go on seal, galga mai, because you know, go and you know, go one sudden pop. No, hold on. One sudden pop. Be the galga park of Rocky and land there in the you know, go just go around with galga mai. So be to spread. Obviously, the machine, you know, it's the Emma Foster, because the one Seansálaithe. So you're just rare, like go and seal go mai feel her, you know.
Yeah, certain much like Hale is fear here.
Yeah, I know. Jawad is fair. Jawad.
I think me was Wadney's fair like more hin because I say Hale more well on birthday. And then there's on Serena it's
like
or actually just ash stuck to just birch granule and a gala gun and trio than on.
Yeah. Well, no, they're birching like hella just like, you know what, shot just chud jazz, you know, agus not chud jazz in their own tree than you and Shaw. Like, you know, bitchin just bitch of spast, you know, and trugging mal like hella, agus and shin they're tan trugging mal like hella, chicasa, like, just like, Egypt, like, go on, you loser, you know, like bitch. I just I'm taking curse jar, yella, like in Tabber Fall, whatever, just like pure slagging, like whatever, you know. Like Jenny, era la Gary, like basically, you know, like the just Gary, then you win a her guy because then yella like a curse jar, and it just
queen.
Yeah.
Then it just rotates.
Yeah, Jennifer rotates. Yeah, so then you win like literally rather be just Jenny and this whatever. Like Jerry Michigan rather got in the Asian. Agus an Ben Birch Ogumsha a gra ruddy fumsa as in Jerry James rather got agus Jerry Michigan's annually up for James. So you know, just upbringing chat, you know, to just earn should do.
Agus sinna chuí I cheart go troples a bheith.
Challengers, you know.
Okay, chuí challengers in Lahana.
As in earn pod, not or
No, I think it was this challengers loads during the Lahana.
I think Scotland.
Yeah, like in Scotland, you're no in Scotland. Yeah, no, and in actually in a road. No, it's because we are in it's Margaret just Dolawala ignam Kieran the car so good they're in Lewis.
Agus
rank.
Bhí mar chosáasta imimecht Wayne Lewis in cé duine because nuair má Amy Wayne joke sin.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, joking sin.
Here, listen, bhí Gary, so
yeah, bhí an mí comforta.
No, boom.
Okay,
never.
Can't say mí chumpartach Ange bhí tú cans fí like friggin trend cínta TikTok a bhín daoine duna so
yeah bhí shot that James because I don't think we'll shot facu gets a
no
fall.
Okay, agus sílam gur gading actually iirt archa cean an bhí an John mar tá seo crackáilte. So chuimime si gur joke bhíon seo an chéad uair ghaach mé agus hí gur just satar like coní mé Miriam Mullins a dhéanú. Morning Shed, bhfuil seo feice agus a hiú?
So just during my search and sin agus my fecal and puckter agus tá se really simple sin sin é an rud that
Tá scatter.
tá se really slice freaky like some cane
Yeah.
fly.
So sílam gur go bé an trend is déine é fa chuine like gola gunne iirí sinne. Ach
Okay.
is daoine bíor óg tá a dhéanú, daoine nach go léon ar choíorthú go bhfuil í sé teachtarú. So sim go sé onanta mór in America tá chin straps a ceannach ag daoine. Agus degra tá chin strap fa chunne chudú leat nar tá tú sranúil. But sim go daoine a úsáis as a ceangalt cóchan Hart er kligan soku onis nach mé like nach ditchin an ai nach ditchin an kraken nach mé smig a titchum cabéra de as comáile sin gin and she'd like current she'd curm kraken like patches isaku than ihelig on a school and stuff a genu ní smó than kraken current she'd lip stain hart in the biola on go marhi an da an lá le an céad lá ella current she'd an a walk to an mouth tape seo.
Yeah.
Chudín sin leat gan bheith sránail cumáid ach honestly bheith gaglarm nach dulum anáú lei sin. But nar recinn tú iad á winter madin an morning shed seo. Tá pean arthú, Tá siad actually né bheith comí compordaní le. Ó ja caiinn siad bonnets cumáid agus chuann siad an grúig leigistá I rollers. Ní is gom céndáil ní se actually abal a colú.
So I think we'll shop heckum to nervy ma fan the hacks to James. I think you're in it to and routine care in the honey to some as a labby lesson made charge. But there's our nose and latch and a genuine and morning routine. That's the current A on is decent higher exam machine. We should just like obviously we shot like a glocku I hope Grosh a magu for you or whatever, but I think we're having a yellow magu for you. But yeah, just an ugly Danish riv a geary niche shinne agus like but geary niche oigus niche oigan should thing being like okay no kaima like fake curve off with like crows fetus really mission because really got home on there her tarly and la each.
Agalor dini a genu lagin satire than trend. A sé iirithe cócracail a go sé Jackar an difríocht de eáil idir na cinnetá daríire as na cinnetá magu. Mar arcin áhanana cos le fear grin.
Yeah, so what the ra is Kai Michigas James morning shed routine a Yanu the ganwil like really
na le canan an chatachtain seo just le honest goil asol is agin. Mar what much Lord fin topic seo. Beidir go mud míceart, Beidir gúil na daoine seo a dúisú imagines ra muhím a creite. Beidir god in na taide
I don't think so.
Would they get you?
Yeah. Like the funny thing is like there's another shite look straight slope because all this crack like we brother ní short today. Whereas like rudder short is not that horp that call him avad.
Yeah.
Like it's literally could ask him call taku. Agus rudder short is not that actually call trum avad agus ID agus you fresh agus sausage in the cracking or whatever the freak can problem that like shna like the drug of a color was illegal well kichamas shachot
yeah
ikina dog so
Nílam gur gadún ceann na hashbandage James just ons go bheice tú go dtíir tá geisle seo.
Google him the picture and I'm going to be honest now the húsing se suas le dinnikins mar hinle ma híomh bhach ma fucking ritze
Sin a rud but bheit gurí bheith ag ngeilbhreacht an daríire agus caiite bheith cin nach chud a fartí go dólátrapí mar ní arca daoine mai ar maidin le seo tá sé scanrúd.
Well, Arkham sa gáil an timer fat, se deli. Well, skincare routine óga to James. And yeah, this is new moisturize on that inward na gahabi mar sin.
yeah
No. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
yeah
Sin normal. Ní vímse, but sin go homla normal go mean dingy generation and itch.
yeah well like it's not like nisha complicated like it's just like Haitian cakes where it just you my maiden's current moisturizer I guess basically good to go Haitian really
Yeah.
Bar my main
routine. Do you know?
Bear me hén rins wa údantí rin tachtain le a chuneal shapeless go agus gur brenn half decent trudí so yeah chum stuff am roig agus just trying to make it sea salt spray trudí just to kind of keep it nice trudí but yeah other than that like
Okay. Tá routine agad. Ach tá sin go maiid. Ba cear go meic, credum gur cear go meic routine chum crackan ag ahan lad.
Yeah.
Agus just na rudí bonusca cos le moisturizer as SPF. Ach tá go leor lads an gnénne. Agus an sin aithnín dú gan aircin beidir lads an níos céine latain like generally an níos sinne. And then tá siad rá, okay, tí bhfuil ricin orm. I'm like, cos níor caiitú uchtar grinne fu gan ina fiadí leg.
Hello. Patient Misha.
It's me.
It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. Yeah. Vi was curse harding like because I think we'll cracking my Ogumsa. I think well Sean Road Niala Ogumsa carried his keel like cracking my so just their yarn thing you don't go cracking my I'm like sure yeah like a badger. I don't like Niala Ogum.
Tantá lása fu gan din nachnian an chum cracking or beat. Níl ricin ort arcan tú fós an og I don't know an sin just meall goil baby face ogat but tá sin de hiú like tá sin forsna just like tá genetics mai he glóra an sin nachhfuil ricin ort fós mar I don't know what me riú hosa cruh ar grainart. Beidir uorháin in aina bliana ag féil na gali.
Yeah, Kurt, well, there's John Nakilam or desk, but it's Muriel be obviously being an shocking is Shaw that and Blian looking G Shaw, so I was like, okay, my acre arminish. Just in that way I'm dodging. You were sure well I might his like wrinkles na la high end machine. It was just Nima Gary of a Hujargla, Farg. Agus vi might just guy torch Ireland hen but yeah ní chum mé ar seo Dir mar starting ag an roiin bís the country the cracking is there much skincare routine tugum sin that's just nerth must see Kate just arcum suas just like le chum a suas again like sin a major yanam must the guy my a and ye just literally just must see key whatever like Clan McGuig Reagan out of the scope Mershaw like le Alan Ishke
Asian Racha Tatosin in Eternal Fountain of Youth I'm sure mar nach Nolan to alcohol. Agus honestly credum gur sin cuatha mór de goní go aníis nar ólann siad an nómar alcohol heag le é eáil sa crackin agus níl san é an dámarsta sin dhéanú le gemlíon anú so tá sin ar de hiú cumáid tá sin na cuidiú le.
So really what to red na gur far from me. All right. Okay. No, okay.
Talk about a long walk.
No, I think Sinead and Rud Gajira and there's two and Shin. Agus, Gurmai then Shin really jazz. I know Gamin Goal and opinions are good for Ruddy there Gaharia. Gaharia for Banny Hill. But
to be honest, wishing to do is I should take a long walk. Yamagur off a short beard.
Mish be like it's far from Mish because yeah
take a long walk off a short period
go away and shite go away
this wiener and not kind Ellen kid look the verla talk about a long walk for a short glass of water or something actually
no clue
there's still dig on a shot
Dara Hungus so good
could show their gowers Gourgunia
Mar hey go on go
ach nu dat another sin ra as in I'm the goat like so
I am yeah
do not one number come all the huge
I know
but just taller than ja
I have that effect
there's a row big fucking yeah boot she sag lua
I'm telling you now the tower of going between on my ekals this zoom where that was geary go more shit an imnier thing unit for our free gear in but listen it's more yarn it's a privilege to age more listen so James Chishpan the Greys go on Chishpan the Greys then shin
the Mugrays yeah
oh yeah
Mugrays
yeah actually yeah Neil Ain Greys are so actually
yeah fuck off
Neil Maharat Neil me
ach ní dhéanamhéíar le chum crackin ní léon goiglia just anir furfas is lad furfa mé
there's aine ní meise gur maigad
yeah but gonna jo Morton an Greys on ní bhéú riomh cos a Clooney so tá mis sin
Silver Fox
Tá fáil silver so honestly má tá mis ná mar rúide chuneal le chu go híal agus a bheith mar lia bé mis sé fucking delighted. Ní sé gur dachar marú, mi sé gur bheith lia, mi gur fucking silver fox. Unbelievable.
Zaddy James, you know?
Fucking Clooney's and the boys. That's what you want to look like. You know?
Clooney's and the boys.
Clooney's and the boys.
You know, D4. Was it he's a fucking Churchtown to go coffees like that? Was it? You know?
Dog a Bear Market, fuck up the pastry.
Bear Market, get an almond croissant. Come on, Clooney. Come on.
She's getting sauna. She's getting
She's in saunas. British Mashak up a pancake. Get those M's.
And then session of flife at the end. Do you know what I mean? Like really
fucking right. She comes a couple of fucking dynamites. He's a long
Stop.
Heineken Skywalkers, bro. But gaelachta, you know. Listen, do you time with her is the Leinster handcuffs not the pinta Heineken is the
Oh, jeez.
Forma nu ma hall an glasú an tana gaite. Dúrs cean was cóide. Cean cóide seánis. Dúirte le is seár for sé díomh na bhé ahead. Dúirte má tá rá finte de lábhad. Ní an anna bheith chu teachtaachta I ggéidir.
agus ar loch this leis an coalition gorí James.
Well, like ní an sé tá tic le bhada ach like I wish go Ross machine lu im chud fichití. Just fá rá finte agus ní tú ná an tá in the gym.
But in Fibeton,
Labby.
And Fibeton though is that ag punch aigen ag jearan na híe bé cin bhhain críicní agad agus bé tú leis an loud leis pinte jarna tá agad agus bé lá siar agad lá siar agad in é like what like jai finte bheith agad like so you know bitcha dantra bíncha dantra although block him leis an coalition. Well, like, I sin é dan sorry, McGlure.
Was it just serious?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah, literally just dag shot.
That's a
literally in the Michigan can't be Keiko Ogs of Ema agus in shin Michigan splutteral cost la Sean ladder in the John players like
Tá dul livercha healthy go píscho éis datach bhéil.
Yeah, sinné. Whoopsie. Sinné an hacan seo tá seanslí gur muid sa bhachta bheith le mu géir muid Amsterdam hosta tá muidir seanslí ar Instagram, seanslí ar Twitter agus seanslí ar YouTube, mu géir aine Amsterdam hosta leis mar anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, anywhere TikTok. Mu géir James
Actually, níl mé ar Twitter ní smó.
Yay!
Agus níl mé ar Snapchat ní smó.
Oh, thank God.
Mé ré le X agus Snapchat mar nómar go man hosta mo híal agus Kate ar X ní smó. Sorry.
Níos got tú rá le killie in the gan the Snapchat.
Yeah, please, Dad. Yeah.
Okay,
So then,
immersion.
yeah, let the hall. What do you call it? Well, so anywhere or Snapchat, I suppose. Is my James Amsterdam the man who's the best or more Flower Tacker Instagram, Flower Tacker Twitter, is Flower Tacker TikTok. Is my game my hand Amsterdam host to the more Hugh Carr Instagram, Hugh Carr Twitter, and just Grey Hugh Carr or TikTok. Sinead, well Sinead the Nagra to the chance a bit of Josh from Loon Chogging, La Agranur Akajishin, but you so that's in shocking. Slan.
Slan.